Welcome to the video. Today we will dive into Python tuples, an essential data structure used to storing collection data, whether you are new to Python or just need a refresh. This video is perfect for you. So, what is tuple? A tuple in a Python is an immutable order collection of items. Unlike list, tuples cannot be modified after creation. Python tuples. Tuples is a very similar to list, except that they are immutable. They cannot be changed. They are created using parentheses rather than square brackets. Advantages of tuples. We generally use tuple for different data types and list of similar data types. Since tuple are immutable, iterating though tuple is faster than with list. So there is a slight performance boost. Tuples that contain immutable element can use as a key for a dictionary. Within list, this is not possible. If you have data that doesn't change, implementing it as tuple will guarantee that it remains right protected. Creating a tuple. Tuple is created by placing all the items, elements inside a parenthesis, separated by separated comma. The parentheses are optional, but is a good practice to write a code. A tuple can have many numbers of items and they have been a different type, integer, float, etc. As we can see here, the tuple is used in parentheses brackets and the text is inputted in the print options. Same for the numbers, same for the text, but they are not the same. They are different. Why use tuples? They are immutable. Once created, their values cannot be altered, making them safe for storing constants. Performance tuples are very fast or faster than list due to their fixed size. Memory efficient. They consume less memory compared to list. Use in dictionaries. Tuples can be used as key in dictionaries, unlike list. Next, creating a tuple with one element is bit tricky. Having one element with parentheses is not enough. We will need a trailing comma to indicate that it is in fact a tuple. So as here we can see only parentheses is not enough. Next. Accessing elements in a tuple. You can access the values in a tuple using their index, just as you did with the list. Nested tuple are accessed using nested indexing. Negative indexing can be applied to tuples similarly to list. We can access a range of items in tuple by using the slicing operator. Trying to reassign a value in tuple causes a type error. Changing tuple. Changing in tuple. Unlike list, Unlike list, tuples are immutable. This means that elements of tuple cannot be changed once it has been assigned. But if the element is itself a mutable data type, like list, its nested items can be changed. Next, deleting a tuple. We cannot change the element in tuple. That also means we cannot delete or remove its items from a tuple. But deleting a tuple entirely is possible using the keyword delete. Delete the tuple directory name. Just that, and you will be able to delete the tuple. Next, Python tuple methods. Methods that add items or remove items are not available in tuple. Only the following two methods are available: countx and indexx. Countx return the number of items that are equal to x, and index return the index of first item that is equal to x. Next, tuple membership test. We can test if an item exists in a tuple or not using the keyword in tuple, and we can check that particular by accessing the directory of the tuple and entering the iterations of that directory. Next, iterating through a tuple. Using for loop, we can iterate though each item in a tuple. Next, now when to use the tuples. Tuples are ideal for storing coordinates or a fixed data like days of the weeks, returning multiple values from a function representing database rows or records. By understanding tuples, you can write cleaner and more efficient Python codes. Built-in functions with tuples. These are some functions which we can use in tuple and they are built-in, like all. Returns true if all elements of the tuple are true. Any returns true if any element of the tuple is true. Like that on the max returns the largest item in the tuple. Minimum returns the smallest item in the tuple. So that's a quick guide to Python tuples within their immutability and efficiency. Tuples are a powerful tool in Python. Thanks for watching.